The Figma tricks you should know earlier.
Today, I want to show you guys how to quickly create a button by using auto layout. First, create text for the button. And then use the shortcut, Shift-A, to create auto layout. You can adjust the 4 side paddings from here. By the way, hover on top of it, you can see the pink indicator. We can create a background for the button by adding fill. Let's see the layer structure. The text layer is still inside auto layout layer. If you only need the same value for all paddings, try putting value here. Now, let's make button has rounded corners. Let's change the text color. If you have seen my previous videos, you know how to quickly duplicate object like this. Now, let's try to use Shift-A to create auto layout for these. You can adjust the spacing of the buttons from here. If you copy-paste any object from the auto layout, it will allow the spacing rule you create.
If you like the content, please subscribe to get daily Figma tricks.